Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go click that subscribe button and turn your post notification bells so you know when I post a new video. So today, as you guys can tell by the title, and as you guys can all see by my face, I'm looking a little off, but I don't have my lashes on. So as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to apply fake lashes or false lashes. So right now I have the Ardell lashes. It's a mega volume. It's number 257. I don't like to just leave them laying around. I like to keep them safe and secure in the package so I can reuse them a little bit. But yeah, I'm just gonna teach you guys how to put on your false lashes. Okay, so these are what the lashes look like outside of the packaging. I've used these before, so usually before I apply my false lashes, I make sure they fit me correctly. Without the lash glue, I'll just put it on my eyes to make sure they fit, and if they look a little off, if it's too long, I usually get my cutting scissors and I cut it. But I already did that, so if you guys didn't do that yet, you should go ahead and do that before you guys apply the lashes to make sure they're a perfect fit for your eye. And you want to make sure that when you cut the lashes, you cut from the end. You don't want to cut from where the cornea is on that part, because the lashes gradually get bigger, so it would look kind of uneven if you started cutting it from the front part of the lash. So you want to make sure when you cut it, you always start at the end. I use the lash glue, the Duo adhesive one. I use the clear white one because I don't like using the dark one because I feel like it's a little messy, but this one dries clear, so I like that better. And you're also going to need tweezers or a little lash applicator. I usually do it with just my hands, but I'm gonna try to show you guys how to use it with the applicator. So pretty much you're going to put a little bit of glue on the band part. You don't want to overkill it with the glue because then it's going to be all over your eyelid. So you just want to put a thin layer on the band, basically to match the size of the band that you have. So if it's a thick band, then maybe you would put a little bit more glue as you would a thin band. So what I do is I just squeeze it out a little bit, and I kind of let it fall to the side. I don't know if you could tell what I did. I kind of let it fall to the side because I don't want to overdo it on the lash line. And you don't want to put the lashes with the glue on right away. You want to let it dry a little bit and get a little bit tacky, or otherwise it's going to slide all over your eyelid. And also, if you want, you can put mascara on before you apply the lashes, but I don't like that, so I'm not going to do it. I don't see a difference really if you apply mascara on before, but I do apply it on after, so I'm going to show you guys how I do everything after. You also want to remember when you apply lashes to not like look straight at it, because you're not going to apply it correctly. You want to make sure that you always look down when you do your lashes, so you can make sure that when you open your eye, it's like perfectly aligned with your lash line. You also don't really want to close your eyes, but you do want to look down to where it almost looks like your eyes are closed, but they're not, because you don't want it to get stuck onto your lower lash line and then your eyes like all stuck together. So now that my lashes is dried a little bit and it's tacky, I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to my eyelid. So as I look down, I'm not going to just perfectly like place it in. I'm just going to go up a little bit and try to make sure the end of the lash is down, and then I'm going to move in to the middle of my eye, and then I'm going to start securing it onto my eyelid. So my lash is applied, but I'm not going to start playing with it yet. I'm just going to let it sit there for a little bit, and then I'll secure it down with my finger, or I'm going to use my lash applicator again and then just secure it more onto my lashes. And if you guys want, my little trick when I apply my false lashes to make it look more natural and make it look together and connected, I'll take liquid liner and just put it, I'll start from where the lash ends, and then I'm just gonna drag it all the way to the corner of my eye so it looks like it's connected in like one big full lash. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I don't know if you could see, but you see how it's connected a little bit better. And it just looks together for me. So yeah, this is pretty much the final look of applying your lashes. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what other content you guys want to see from me. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bells so you know when I post a new video. So yeah guys, thanks for watching.